On March 17, 2026, Illinois and many other states held their primaries. For Illinois, the race to watch was a Senate race after Dick Durbin announced his retirement. For the Democratic primaries, Juliana Stratton won by a 6.9% margin. In the Republican primaries, Don Tracy won his race by 17.1%. In this, DGS seniors find the importance of voting as a whole. Senior Lucas Malaskas believes that voting is central to being the change you want to see in the world.
I think voting is important because it's one of the few times that you're able to demonstrate what it is you want and what sort of change you want to see, whether that be locally or on a national level. Um, and I think it's how the government kind of forms itself, because if a lot of people all want the same thing, then you start seeing these bigger changes happen that, for the most part, should have a positive benefit on society.
He also finds value in DGS students' role as both learners and voters.
I think voting relates to high schoolers because, in my opinion, they're probably the biggest group affected by changes in the government and policy. And they're also the most vulnerable. They don't have that voter experience like many others do. So it's important for them to learn about voting and learn about what it is they want so that they're able to demonstrate that when they go to vote.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Yoldi.